Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this curly afro using perm rods. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair, breaking it up into 4 sections. My hair, it's still slightly damp from when I washed it. This first section I'm working on, I'm splitting it in half in order to make it into an even smaller section. And then I go in with the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner, my go-to. And then I apply it to that section. And then I grab my tangle teaser to detangle that section, starting from the ends of my hair and working my way up to the roots. And then for my oil, I use the Must Be Heaven body butter. And then for my styling product, I use the Elastic QP Design Foam. And put that all over this section. And then once again, I section the hair off to make it even smaller. And I'm going to split this section again. And again. More detangling. And then I proceed to two-strand twist down the hair. And then when I get close to the end, I detangle that section and then I just twist it around a little bit so that it will be smooth. And then I use a perm rod. The white ones I use the majority of my head, and then when I got to the front, I switched to the small pink ones. When I get to the root, I twist it in the direction of the twist and put a clip in order to get it to lay down smoothly. And then I'll show you guys one more time what I do. Go in with the leave-in conditioner first. Shea butter. Detangle. Elastic QP styling foam. Section. Twist. Rollers. And then clip. That's it. I'm going to speed up this part of the video till I get to the top of my head where I'm going to flat twist the twist coming forward. So I'm at the front of my head. I'm putting a bunch of sections in the front so that I can flat twist my hair forward. And you see how smooth that comb glides through the hair? Anyway, part the hair, and then I clip the section off to the side. And I still do the same thing with the products, the leave-in conditioner, detangle, shea butter, and styling foam. And then I just start flat twisting my hair. And then I twist it a little more than halfway towards the end, apply more foam, and then put a perm rod. I ran out of the white ones, so I switched to the small pink ones, which is nice because they'll give me a tight curl, which means my bangs won't be all in my eyes. And then I twist the roots and add a clip to make sure they are held down. And then I just finish with the rest of my head. This is what it looks like. And now I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour to 2 hours until my hair's dry. And then I'll be back. Bye! So I'm taking down the rollers. I already did the left side of my head and now I'm doing the other side. Once I'm done taking them down, I use the Shea Moisture 100% pure argan oil and put that all over the curl so that it'll reduce frizz. And to make it easier to take down the twist so that I don't miss any sections, I section my hair off with little hair elastics and just go through each section. As you can see, I'm excited about the curl definition. Look at them curls. And now I am separating the curls to make my hair look fuller. That's my boyfriend seeing what I'm doing with my hair. And then I go in with the pick to give my hair more volume, because you gotta have that volume. And here's my boyfriend helping me lay down my hair. And here's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna come back to you guys the next morning after I've slept on it. Bye! So I use my scarf to pineapple my hair so that my curls would majority be on the top of my head, and it'll keep them from getting squished. What I'm gonna do to refresh my hair is to fluff out my hair with my pick, separate more curls, and shake my head as many times as I can without getting a headache. Now I'm coming in with the pick to stretch out my roots. And now I'm going in again to further separate my curls to give me more volume. And here's the finished look. Here it is from the right side, the back, the left side. And of course you gotta give it a little shake. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you try this style, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.